Hello everyone, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and in this video we're going to talk about how to repost someone else's Instagram story on your Instagram. So right now, as you can see, the many users has already posted many stories right now. So if you wanted to post someone mentioned or tagged you in a story, and how you can do this. So the thing is, just follow these instructions. The first one, after opening the Instagram, just go over here at the top, just tap on this one. Now from here, as you can see, this particular person named Sahal Pierce has mentioned me on the story. As you can see, it is written mentioned you in the story. So what I need to do is I have two options. The first one, I can tap over here. So let me mute this up, or else I'll be having the copyright issue. So just tap on this one so that I can view the story which he mentioned. And as you can see, I'm getting an option to add to your story. This is one way where you can view it and navigate to it, and also you can add the story. Apart from this, you can also do like this. Just tap on this particular conversation so that you can see this particular one. You can tap on this so that will also let you to do like this. So you can post the story. So right now, after watching the story, you need to tap on add to your story so that it will be on your profile. So just tap on this so that, as you can see, when you tap on this, it will be like this. So right now what I can do is I can adjust it. So whether I wanted to make it a little more bigger, I can do like this, or I can shift it accordingly wherever I wanted to make it, or I can reduce the size, or I can do anything like this. So it's up to me. So I can change the location, or I can keep it over here, or I can make it a little bit larger, or I can make it smaller. I can do accordingly. So that is according to your taste and your interest. And also, apart from this, you can also do one thing. If you wanted to make this completely full on your screen, what you need to do is just need to tap on like this. So right now the story is being made like this, so you just need to tap on it. So this is on a full screen resolution, so that the story will be posted. And what I'm going to do is, after making this up or making this set according to your needs, whether you can wanted to make it full screen, you can do like this, or you can do like this and make everything is fine. Once afterward, just go for your story over here. So the story will be posted like this. And once afterwards, you'll be getting this one. Just go back, and afterwards you can go back over here, and you can check on the profile. Right now the story is being uploaded, so it's going to take a little bit of time. If you check over here, as you can see, I'm getting the message like indication over here like it's uploading. So the story will be uploaded, and this is what we have to do. So these are the possible, and this is how we can post or repost an Instagram story. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.